In my last video, I shared how I get started with just 150 bars and turn it into over $1,000 in 7 good days. So what are the tools that I actually use in making this a reality? In this video, I'm going to show you 9 good tools that I have known and master how to use them in order to find rare great NFT. So this video is going to show you all the things you need to know about the tools that you will be using to find great NFTs if you are investing in NFT. Welcome. If you're here for the first time, my name is Chima. I am the anchorman to Opes. Opes is your platform that share quality education, quality information that help you to make better decisions in the world of cryptocurrency. Friend, you are super welcome to my channel today. I'm super glad to meet you. And please, I want to just ask you for a super favor. Do me a special favor, subscribe to the channel and put on the notification bell, and also give me a thumbs up. We want to see if we can be able to reach 200 likes on this particular video. Please be one of them that will make it happen for me. As you do this, I'm gonna be so glad for you, because without you, I cannot be able to have this kind of video. Please do well. Give me a thumbs up. Let me hear your comment. What tools are you currently using in navigating the world of NFT? On the comment section, put it down. Let me know from you. That is it. Having said so, like I said, on the comment section, you're also going to be seeing the link to the community that helped me turn my $150 into $1,000. Wow, I was super glad about that. Super glad that I made it. Now, you can find those on the description if you are on a hasty time. You don't have much time, please check out the description. You find more information. Okay, thank you very much. Without wasting more time, we're going to be checking out these tools step by step. You ready? The first tool we are going to be using is the Twitter. Twitter is my number one place to actually find great information about any particular NFT I am researching on. So you go to Twitter, you go to Twitter search bar, you type hash mint, hash mint, hash mint. Okay, you can see there are about 40 tweets in the last hour. Okay, hash mint. Now these are the top mint. Okay, these are you can see this particular project. You can check them out. Look at them. Look at them. To see the letters, you click on letters. Okay, there's no letters right now. So, but you can see top of these kind of search we're talking about. So these are the way you find. You can use Twitter to land great collections of NFT. Okay, that is tool number one. The second tool we are using to do this is NFTsparks.com. NFTsparks.com. You can check out this website and discover the latest hot NFT collections. They are being dropped here. They have a list, like you can see today, top NFT collections. You can see the sales, how many sales they've done today. Then you can see top NFT rankings in 24 hours. You can see the floor price. You can see the volume. You can see the trades that are being done on them. So this is a tool you can use to discover latest and best NFTs you wanna go to. So the next one is called NFTbank.ai. NFTbank.ai. This is another one that you are going to
like so much. If you want to track your NFT in one place, this tool is going to be for you. Everything you're doing, you can bring them to this particular platform, track everything you want to own or the ones you want to discover. This tool is going to help you. You can find out more information about this tool. Please, you check this tool out if you're interested. NFTbank.ai. That's another tool that we are looking at here. So the next tool is ICY.tools. ICY.tools. But I like this particular tool. This tool help you to discover the latest NFTs you can actually invest. As you can see from here, this particular NFT called Zofrays by Zoombird Studio, they have done, there is an increased price. They have done over 695 sales, and the market cap is over 5 million USD, as you can see from here. Okay, upgrade sell, you can see the upgrade sell there. They consider floor sell. So this help you to know what exactly how to price and all that on this particular platform. Is ICY.tools. You can use it to track, you can use it to check out the latest NFTs you would want to collect for yourself. That's the beauty of this particular tool. I like it so much. You can take your time to actually explore this particular tool. Then the next one we have Cryptoslam. Cryptoslam is for you. Cryptoslam.io is for you if you also want to check out sales of NFTs. Okay, sales of NFT change in 24 hours. The buyer, the transactions, how many transactions have been done. This is going to you. They have 24 hours, they have 7 days, they have 30 days, they have all time for all their listed NFTs. Yeah, so you can go check out the NFT you will want to buy and check the price changes. If you like them, you pick for yourself. That is on cryptoslam.io. Then there is another one, OpenC. That is the king of the market. OpenC, you click on start, okay? Go to openc.io, then you click on start. When you click on start, you're going to be seeing ranking and activities. Ranking and activities help you to discover what is going on as regard to every single NFT listed on OpenC, the king of the market. So this is for you. Go check out OpenC, the ranking system and activities for each NFTs listed on their platform. So top NFTs, as you can see from here. So go to OpenC, openc.io/rankings. You're going to be getting for yourself great tools to analyze and check out the best you can buy for yourself. Our intention is that you make better decisions in your quest to get in digital currencies. Okay, another tool, one of the popular ones is realtytools.com. Realty Tools is very good because NFT realty is very, very important, and these two help you to find the realness of all NFTs. So they list a lot of things here, and with their tool, you can be able to collect. These are the most recent collections, okay? With their tools, you can be able to collect the best. And look at this one here, top collections. The volume they have done, clone is done over 13,000 Ethereum. Wow. Then bought app done 10,000 Ethereum. This is awesome. You can see them, they are all by volume. You can see what they are doing. 7 days average price, you can see for yourself. Owners count, people that own. Like Mutant Airport, they have 11,000 collections. Then Cryptotron have 11,500 collections. Then there are other people that are all here. So you can check out these two. Realty is very, very important in the world of NFT. So Realty.tools is a tool for you if you are doing NFT. Then the next one is Discord. Discord, we can't talk about tools without talking about NFT. Many people are using Discord to communicate to their users about the latest move they are making and all that. Everybody doing contribution and all that. Okay, so you can check out Discord app. If you have a mobile phone, you can actually check out your mobile phone and download Discord. Go to public servers and search for NFTs. You can see a couple of them that pop up on that place. Okay, yes, these are some of the tools that are going to help you to make better decisions. I didn't tell you about this particular platform, Nansen.ai. Nansen.ai is a great tool also. Nansen, you can track a lot of things, but it's a paid solution. It's a paid solution. So if you got the money, you can go ahead and pay. Like you can see here, 7 days. For 7 days trial, you can try them for 7 days and check out the tool that they actually have. Okay. Now, let's go to their pricing. There's something I want to show you on Nansen.ai. Nansen.ai, on their $399 per quarter, you can actually have access to look at NFT dashboard. Here you can see they have NFT Mint Master, Smart Alert, NFT Realty Data. They even have Realty Data here. So if you come in here to get started with these guys, you're going to be getting value for the money you pay, because they help you, give you the real data that you are looking for that will help you to make better decisions. So Nansen is a great tool for you if you want to invest in NFT, but it's going to be paid. Okay, you can see the price they do. They have quarterly, they have monthly. Okay, 149 per month. Quarterly, you pay a total of 399. Okay, that's for, they have other ones. Okay, they have about three packages. They have VIP 3,000 per quarter, 3,990 per quarter. So if you want to become a member, you can absolutely go check them out for yourself. Okay, these are tools that I believe that are going to be helping you out. And besides, the community that I shared in the first video is actually using this particular platform. Okay, so if you want to be a member of that community where you are taken by hand to make investments, then you learn and do for yourself, then for future the center is for you. Go check out in the description below. You're going to see the link to go to for future. Get started right away. I must let you know that I am going to be giving a commission if you sign up under my link. Please go ahead and get started immediately. Okay, so check out for future the center/welcome. You're going to get started immediately. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put on the notification bell, and there is something coming forward, sweet, hot for you. Bye bye.